Once again, welcome back. This is Zach from Zach Animate Studios. Today, my thought was I wanted us to look at Vue in comparison in installation with the Laravel framework, and a friend of mine asked me about that, and I think this is the right time we are going to do just an introduction whereby we are going to do an introduction whereby we are going to add Laravel Breeze together with Vue for our application. Without further ado, if you have not subscribed to this amazing YouTube channel, you are missing a lot. Tell your grandfather, grandmother, sister, your friends, all those people who are looking to make their life much better and improve their activities in terms of coding, just to be one step ahead, to subscribe to this amazing channel and hit that like subscribe button right away. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So we will dive into our editor. We are going to this was a sample application. I had to test it on and then now this is the right time to do it. So let's start. Laravel new. The name of application will be Laravel. Let's give it at Laravel. Yeah, just like that, Laravel. In terms of, but it is going to be Vue. Yeah, Laravel, just like that as a project. Let's have that Laravel project getting started. It's going to install. Remember, the server has to get started. The Apache and MySQL admin. As you can see, we're just going to set it up and have a Laravel Breeze of Vue on it. So guys, this is amazing. We are going to solve some of the major issues our friends are going through. As you can see, Vue is not that hard to install, and it is just as simple as it is. So first and foremost, you can also get that into the documentation, how it is done. As it installs, you can go through the documentation. The starter kit. You go to starter kit, and then you're going to select Breeze installation. Composer required dev Breeze. So after you have installed that application like that, you're going to composer require Laravel Breeze. So it is installing, and it's going to take some few seconds. Laravel 10 to be precise. So it is installing the Symfony, emails, polyfill, console collection. Let's go back. So guys, we still have, it has the normal way of coding on Java, on PHP, that is model views controllers as the way to go about it. So it's the same thing. You can still install React on your application if you are somebody from React. At the same time, you can also install. So as it installed, we can open a new folder, a new window, and then we are going to follow up with that application. So as it installs, let's open up a new window and install. Hey, my computer is so slow. Okay, I'll give it a second. Might be internet, but it normally takes a few seconds. So the new window, so file, new folder, new folder, open folder. Okay, just to keep time. We're going to select that folder that it was installed, that we have created right now on XAMPP. Laravel. Okay, that is the project that we are working on. So as it installs, that one we're just going to ensure, okay, it is almost like done. Yeah, it's almost done. We are going to install okay, almost done. A minute, it took a minute. So if you are using the same window, you'll just open folder, and then you go to the same folder, Laravel, like that. And then after you have selected the folder, open your terminal, and then just like that, and then install Laravel Breeze. So composer require Laravel Breeze dev, enter, and then you're going to install the Breeze package. So basically the Breeze package is used for installing the login, the logout, the user management as per se. So we are going to install Laravel Breeze, and then after we install Laravel Breeze, we are going to install the Vue components. So we are going to select the Vue components as we install it, right? So this one is dedicated for our Vue friends, and then we are going to do some CRUD functions that basically we're just going to create a very simple CRUD for Laravel Vue for us. Okay, Vue friends, for our Vue friends. Okay, we have installed so we are going to install PHP artisan install PHP artisan Breeze Vue. Okay, this one, if you are going to do that, you are going to install Vue on your Laravel. Okay, just like that, PHP artisan Breeze Vue, and then it's going to take us through the wizard. I call it the wizard. Okay, basically it is installing the Laravel Vue components, and then we are going to activate that. Okay, so just like that, it has installed. So remember, our files are still there. App folder, HTTP, where controllers are going to be there, and then okay, it is installing, and then the models, the user models maybe, and then the databases. So it's installing the views. Yeah, the views dependencies, basically the Vue dependencies, the node dependencies. So if you are from JavaScript world, you are well covered. At the same time, the database, you can still work with your database there. You can see the migrations. Remember migrations. So basically then generates a schema for your application inside the database schema, and then you can design that, and then also we have the seeders if you have an information and you want to add it to the database. And then we have the roots. Nothing has changed from normal Laravel. As you can see, it has the login, it has already inserted that, and then we're just going to configure some of the things that we require. So with that, you will still go to your terminal also. As it installs, you can also do some PHP artisan serve, okay, because you have already installed it, because it is already running. You can follow the link. Less than 10 minutes, we have installed our Laravel. So basically it is installing the manifest. Just give it a second. The Nini hasn't completed the process of installing the node the node dependencies. So that is why you are getting this error. The manifest the Vite manifest is not yet installed. Give it a second to install that JavaScript files and packages. Okay, give it a second. So guys, as we wait in a few minutes, let's just be realistic, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of our community. If you have a website, an e-commerce, you want to develop a website for your business, reach us out. We will design it for you. By the way, that is the way we work. If we get a project, the project helps us financially. At the same time, we get the finances to develop this amazing content. Your support is really appreciated, but you will only support us if you give us work to do. So if you have a project, if you will have a website, if you want just to troubleshoot some of the things they see there, you want to do some calculations in your website, those IT related stuff, social, we call it social, the Facebook, Instagram management, we can also do it for you. So guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, be part of our community, develop this, help us develop this amazing channel to reach 1 million and millions of people around the world. You might be helping your son in future, and remember, this information is very, very expensive to get, because we have spent thousands and countless of hours training on this, and right now it has already created. So I was telling you that we have spent a lot of time building these skills, and right now we are offering you for free so that you can build also yourself in terms of getting you can get jobs from this. You can be a self-entrepreneur. So we have installed Vue in our application. So I had talked a lot. So this is the Vue has been installed and it is running on it is running. So the most important thing is the first thing is the JavaScript. There is it normally works on JavaScript. So we are going to go on our public folder, I think the public folder, and then we have the resources, we have the JavaScript, and then we have the app.js. You can see it has loaded the Vue components, a lot of Vue components, the pages, Ziggy, plugin, window, so this is just inertia.js, and then the Vue.m, the Ziggy from, so you can still use that. Then the Bootstrap also, let's see what it has. That is Axio window. So you have, this is just built, it has been built by, this is the default for so you can register. Let's just register somebody. First, before you register, you have to do migration. php artisan migrate. It's going to generate the database, and then you're going to say yes, and then do the migration. Table users. After you migrate, you can register somebody. So we can create a user. Sorry.